chicken,
A chick dinner?
a chick dinner.
Okay.
What is that? What does it do?
You ever, everybody comes to my chick dinner and give you my money and a chick dinner and see how you're 100.
Oh, a cash register?
Yeah, I want it for my birthday.
Oh.
Oh, yes. So you can
Cash
play shopkeeper.
register.
Yes, yes.
Oh, yes. Okay.
With buttons.
With buttons. Oh.
Yeah, I like it for my birthday. You have to give me cake. I smell those cakes already.
You did.
Yeah.
I know, they smell good, don't they?
I'll get one for my birthday.
Yeah. A real pretty one, huh?
Ooh, I got some all the things. Cat balloons. Mommy will let me have a cat balloon.
A cow balloon? Wow.
I have a little Play-Doh thing for my birthday.
Oh.
I have all my things at my birthday.
Wow.
It's coming up.
Yeah. I have some balloons. Ooh, get that book over there.
There's a bug?
Book.
Book? What book?
Right there was clothes on it. My bag.
Here.
I'll show Misty something.
Okay.
You want to see pretty shoes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You can see them. Be quiet.
Oh,
Just bags. Look, those are your bags that size.
oh yeah.
What happened to those bags that came?
They're delivered.